I'm trying to replace an exhaust pipe on a L110 lawn tractor. I have removed the heat shield and the muffler and broken pipe. But the new pipe won't fit in. It seems like I need to take the floorboard or engine apart. Am I close?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Looking at the parts setup and some pictures I took of an L110, looks like the exhaust pipe that bolts to the bottom of the cylinder head has to be stuck in the muffler and installed together. The engine sheet metal may need to be removed to access the pipe flange better, but that should be all that is required. Have you checked the fit of the pipe to the cylinder head? You say pipe won't fit in? What won't fit?
The pipe is an exact match to the old one, so it will fit. The pipe has a couple of curves, one going into the muffler and the other to be bolted under the engine. It is close to being able to fit under the engine but can't make it. The length of the pipe hits the floorboard, so I can't get the upper pipe flap to fit on the bolts and go in the lower engine hole. You mentioned taking off the engine sheet metal. I presume that is the board on the level that the pipe fits into the muffler. That seems to be a big job with much disassembly. How do I proceed on that? Need some words from you. It appears that this was a big job. There is not enough height from the floorboard to the engine at top to get the piece in. Either the whole engine has to come off or the floorboard that spans the entire vehicle has to come off. This seems not what the manufacturer intended. Maybe you can't answer this question without seeing the unit T.
The bottom plate is not something that would be required. If it is just a small amount needed, the 4 engine mounting bolts can be removed and the engine can be lifted enough to get pipe in place, then reinstall the 4 engine mounting bolts.
I'll try the 4 bolts, I just need an inch or so extra height. I presume that the engine is intact and I can lift it that much without a problem. Thanks, Curtis.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.